6 free crochet balaclava patterns to make. This easy-level project is designed to be made with Red Heart Super Saver yarn and will keep children warm during the winter. The Blog Umbaka design crochet features a free pattern for warm winter ski masks that are designed to be extra long, serving as a combined hat and cowl. The Red Heart Crochet Rib Balaclava for adults is a free and easy crochet pattern available from Yarnspirations. This project is perfect for keeping warm. In a video tutorial, the YouTube channel Brittany Alice Crochet demonstrates how to create a super easy and beginner-friendly balaclava. YouTuber Baby Button offers a crochet with me style tutorial for a balaclava with a written pattern created in partnership with Ribbler. The YouTube channel Bishiho presents a tutorial for a balaclava that can be made with or without bunny ears. Find all these patterns and more on theyarncrew.com. The link to the roundup is in the description.